Today we are making hot chocolate pudding. You got to make it to know how it tastes. Here I have 60 grams of dark chocolate and I'm going to make a sauce with it by adding 60 ml of boiling water. So my water has come to a boil. It's a lot more than 60. I'm just going to weigh it and add. Alright, now just keep it aside and the chocolate will melt on its own. Next, we need to weigh in our dry ingredients, rather sifted together. For this, we need 120 grams of flour, regular all-purpose flour, around 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now let's sift it all together. And then we will add 120 grams of powdered sugar and just whisk it together. Next, we need to weigh in our wet ingredients. For this, we need 100 ml of milk, then a small shot of coffee. So I have just taken 1 teaspoon of coffee powder over here and added like another 1 teaspoon of hot water. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This is an unsalted butter. Take your whisk and just mix it together. Okay, so we are done with this. Just pour the wet ingredients in the dry one. Take a spatula and just fold it together. Now this will be a thick batter. Just lightly fold it together. So we are going to just spoon this inside the bowl. I have very lightly buttered this bowl. Just very lightly spread it. Now what I'm going to do next is, remember the chocolate sauce that we were making with water? So this is how it's nicely melted. So this will go for baking at 200 degrees Celsius for around 30-35 minutes. The cake is looking so delicious that I have no words to express. If you are a chocolate lover, you will for sure try this at home. Share the video and subscribe to the channel.